Changing how you cook your food is one way you can help with climate change and have a safer, healthier home. To do this, cook with electric appliances. And why use electricity? We need to stop using fossil fuels, such as gas, coal, and oil, because they emit greenhouse gases that are causing climate change. Instead, use electricity made from renewable energy like wind and solar. That's why people who are concerned with the climate want to electrify everything. In the kitchen, many people cook with gas. 44% of the homes in Massachusetts cook with natural gas. Natural gas is methane, a powerful greenhouse gas and one of the fossil fuels that are causing climate change. Gas stoves also leak harmful gases into your home. New studies have come out linking childhood asthma to cooking with gas because of the nitrogen dioxide fumes gas stoves emit. They also emit carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas, and formaldehyde and benzene that are carcinogens. So cooking with gas not only contributes to climate change, it also pollutes the air you breathe in your own home. Electric stoves, on the other hand, do not have these problems. If you are cooking with a traditional electric stove, that's good, but induction stoves are even better. Induction stoves are electric and are highly energy efficient, meaning you save energy because it uses less energy to cook than other types of stoves. This is how they work. First, you need a magnetic pan, such as a magnetic stainless steel or cast iron pan. When you turn on the stove, a copper coil built into the cooktop sends out electromagnetic waves to directly heat up the pan, which in turn cooks the food in the pan. Other types of stoves heat up the surface area of the stovetop, and a lot of the heat is wasted because the energy to heat the food doesn't go directly to the pan. Induction stoves use 3 times less energy than a gas stove, and it's 10% more energy efficient than a traditional electric stove. This saves people money on energy. Other benefits are induction stoves are easy to use, the temperature control is precise, they heat up, cool down instantaneously, and are very easy to clean. They are also safer because if touched, the surface doesn't get hot enough to burn someone. Today, more and more chefs are transitioning to cooking with induction stoves because of their low carbon footprint, and they find them superior to cooking with gas. Induction stoves do cost more to purchase than a basic gas or electric stove. You might require electrical work, especially if your kitchen isn't wired for an electric stove. There are different rebates available to make the switch to induction, and the rebates all depend on household income, with low-income households receiving the greatest rebates, including covering the cost of the stove, installation, and electrical work upgrades. Landlords who own apartment buildings with 50% or more low-income households can also take advantage of these generous rebates and incentives. If changing out your gas stove for an induction stove isn't possible for you to do, you can go to Plan B by cooking with a portable induction stove cooktop. A 2-burner cooktop can be purchased for as little as $130 and a 1-burner cooktop for as low as $50. It might not cut out cooking with gas altogether, but it does help you cut down on the amount of cooking you do use with a gas stove by using the portable induction cooktop whenever possible. So to review, cooking with an electric or induction stove brings you one step closer to electrifying everything in your home and reducing greenhouse gas emissions that are contributing to climate change, and makes the air in your home safer to breathe for you and your family.